Building wealth early in life is a crucial step toward achieving long-term financial security. The choices you make in your 20s, from saving habits to investment decisions, lay the foundation for your future prosperity. By starting early, you can take advantage of compound growth and develop strong financial habits that will serve you well for decades. These early decisions not only impact your ability to handle unexpected expenses, but also influence your options for major life milestones, such as buying a home or retiring comfortably. Developing a strong savings habit is essential for building lasting financial security. By consistently setting aside a portion of your income, you create a safety net that can help you manage unexpected expenses and pursue future opportunities. Over time, these regular contributions add up, allowing your savings to grow through the power of compounding. Establishing this routine not only supports your immediate needs, but also lays the groundwork for achieving long-term financial goals. Starting to invest early can make a significant difference in building long-term wealth. By exploring various investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, you can find options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Early investments benefit from the power of compound interest, where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. Making informed choices and staying consistent can help you maximize your returns and secure a stronger financial future. Managing debt responsibly is essential for maintaining long-term financial health. One effective strategy is to prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, as these can quickly accumulate and become unmanageable. Consider consolidating debts or transferring balances to lower interest options when possible. Using credit wisely means borrowing only what you can afford to repay and making payments on time to build a positive credit history. By staying disciplined and informed, you can use credit as a tool to achieve your goals without risking your financial stability. To recap, building wealth starts with three crucial moves: setting clear financial goals, developing disciplined saving habits, and making informed investment choices. Begin by outlining specific achievable milestones for your finances. Next, automate your savings to ensure consistency, even if you start small. Finally, take time to research investment options that align with your risk tolerance and long-term objectives. By taking these practical steps today, you lay a strong foundation for lasting financial success.